In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your event on Eventbrite. If you need to make a quick change to an event you're organizing, maybe update the title, fix a date, or adjust ticket details, the fastest way is through the built-in edit option. I'll walk you through how to get there in just a couple of clicks and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect once you're in the editor. Start by heading to Eventbrite in your browser. From your organizer view, you'll see a list of your events. This is the main hub where all your upcoming and past events live. It helps to glance at the event name and date to be sure you're focusing on the right one, especially if you manage multiple events or similar versions. If the page displays your events as cards or as a list, don't worry, the option you need appears in both layouts. Next, look for the three-dot icon next to the event you want to update. This icon is sometimes called the More Options menu, and it sits right alongside each event entry. Clicking that opens a small menu with quick actions. Choose Edit from that menu. This is the direct shortcut into the event editor, so you don't have to dig through multiple pages or secondary menus. And that's it. You're in the editor. From here, you're looking at the full control center for your event details. While this walkthrough focuses on getting you into edit mode quickly, it's helpful to know what you're seeing. This is where you can adjust the event name and description, confirm the date and time, update the location or online event link, and review ticket settings. You'll also find sections for images, categories, and visibility, which influence how your listing appears to attendees. As you review information, take a moment to skim for small details like time zones and currency to ensure everything lines up with your audience. A couple of quick tips as you work in the editor. If you manage many events, the event lists search and filters can help you pinpoint the exact one before you click the three dots. If you're on a smaller screen, the three-dot icon might be tucked closer to the event title or under a compact menu. Same idea, same action. And if your event is already live, consider reviewing your listing from the attendee view after you make changes, so you can see exactly what your audience will see. That's the whole process. Go to Eventbrite, open the three-dot menu next to your event, and select Edit. Simple, fast, and you're ready to fine-tune the details that matter.